Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to remove picture from search bar here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to tap your search bar. The moment you've tapped it, a window like this would appear. We just have to wait until everything are set here before we proceed. And once everything ready, navigate to the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots beside your user icon. Click on it. And the moment you click on it, you will be able to see three options, which are search settings, indexing options, and feedback. Please click on the search settings, and eventually you would be redirected to the settings where you can see the search permissions under privacy and security. So from here, all you need to do is you need to scroll down, and there you can see more settings. So under the more settings, you can see there show search highlights, where you can see content suggestions in the search box and in search home. So all you need to do is you need to navigate to the switch here where you can turn on or where you can turn off. Now the reason why you have a picture here in your search bar is that you have turned it on or enabled it. So it is very crucial to turn it off, and in that way you have just successfully removed the picture here in your search bar. So from that on, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.